This video is very specific to those of you who already have an OCI card and have been trying to download the eOCI card. Chances are that your email ID which you had used to get the OCI card is not working and you're not able to log into the OCI portal. So in that case, you'll have to do an additional step. Once you do that, you'll be able to download your eOCI card for free. So let me show that to you. You'll come to the OCI portal. You'll come to the OCI portal to update your email ID. And for that, once you're on the portal, user registration, you'll click here, user register. Here, go ahead and update your surname, given name as it is in your passport or the OCI card. So your OCI card will have exact name as it is reflecting in your passport. Make that entry, surname, given name, date of birth. You cannot go wrong with this. Your email ID which you currently have, or if it is old email ID, you can use the same email ID again, and then choose the nationality, your current mobile number, and then CAPTCHA. So once you're done with and you do the registration, you'll go ahead and enter the one-time password that has come to your email ID, create the new password, enter the CAPTCHA, and then submit. Then come to user login, enter the credential and login. You will come to the user profile page where you will go and update all your details. Surname, given name, email, currently residing in which country, nationality, mobile number, passport number, that is your current passport number, passport issue date, passport issue place, expiry date, father's name, mother's name. So once you have entered all the detail from what is reflecting in your passport and the OCI card, you can look at, and once you update the profile, after you update, you will come to this dashboard, and here you see you have this view status consent for FTI TTP. You will also see your old application ID, application date, and the passport number which you had updated at the time of application reflecting here. And once you click on view status and consent for FTI TTP, earlier I had made a separate video for this. This will allow you for faster immigration in India, and now that it is shown here, once you do the consent, you don't have to do that additional step which I had made as a video earlier. Here, if you click on view status, which I am not doing, you see status as granted, and then consent for FTI TTP. Once you click here, you can read this part, and it says this service is free of cost. So once you click yes to the consent, now you see that consent part is no more seen. That means the consent has been given. And then come to this eOCI card tab, click here, and then you see here, click here to eOCI card request. Come and click here. eOCI card request generated. So you can wait for some time, come back, and you will see the download ready. As long as you see this message, it's all good. You will get the e-download anytime soon. In my case, I waited for 5 minutes. It has still not happened, but hopefully within some time, this should be ready. I will pin in the comment section how much time it took for me to get this e-download, and hopefully this video is of help to you. If for some reason the process which I just showed is not working, in that case, come to online registration, and from this drop down, select OCI Miscellaneous Services. Then you come here and click on apply online, and then you have to complete 6 steps as you can see on this screen. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6. And then once done, you will get this notification, and once this is done, just wait for your eOCI card.